I welcome you once again to another lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to hide and unhide our sheet, and also learn how to protect our sheet. So we are going to start with how to hide our sheet. Now, if you want to hide your sheet in Excel, you go to the tab that you want to hide. So let's say you want to hide this one. You right click, then you go to hidden or hide. If you click on hide, it will hide that sheet for you. And so if you want to unhide, you just click on the sheet that you want to, any of the sheets, then you right click, then you go to unhide. So unhide, it will display a dialog box for you, displaying the list of sheets that you have already hidden. So this is what you just hide, then you just click on OK. You select it and click on OK to come back again. Now we can use VBA for this purpose, that it will automate it. So let's go to our editor, and then we have already written some code here. So this is the code we are going to use with the subroutine hidden, hide and unhide sheet. So you first of all declare a sheet that you want to hide, then you type the visible. So its visibility, do you want the visibility to be true? If the visibility is true, that means the sheet should appear or should unhide. If it is false, that means it should be hidden. So with this, the sheet name is insert underscore row underscore column. It's already there. So the first one will hide the sheet, then the second one also will bring it back as true or false. So that's the only value that you can give it to this kind of code. That's the only thing you can, the only value you can give to it. So let's step into it and see. So now if you step into it, the first one is will hide the sheet. So you can see that the sheet is now hidden. So you can then step into it again, then the sheet will now come back. Okay, so that is how we hide and unhide our sheet. We can also learn, we are going to also learn how to protect our sheet. So let's go to our sheet, and now with the protecting our sheet, we have two ways of protecting your sheet in Excel. Now the first one is you can click on the sheet that you want to protect. Let's say you want to protect this sheet, so click on it, then you right click and then go to protect sheet. So if you click on protect sheet, it will bring a dialog box for you and it will allow you to enter or input your password. So let's say 1234 is our password. Then you hit on OK, then you repeat the password again. Good. So now after the password has been inserted, now if you right click on it again, you're going to see, instead of protect, you see unprotect. So when you see unprotect, means the sheet is now protected. So if you click on any part of it, it will be clickable, but you can't enter any value in it. So now let's unprotect it again. Let's click on unprotect and then 1234. Now if you try to enter values in it, it will now be able to work. You cannot able to add text or values to it. That's how you protect your sheet. You can also use another way whereby you go to review. You go to review, then the sheets that you want to protect is selected, then you go to protect. So the same way you click on protect, the dialog box will come, enter it, then you repeat the password, and then the sheet will be protected. But the same way we can use VBA for this, in case the sheets that you want to protect are huge, about 100 sheets that you want to protect at a time. Using this format one after the other will be a tedious work. So you can use VBA. So let's use VBA. So let's go to our editor, and then I've already written some code here. So let me display the code for you to see. Okay, so we have this code, and the subroutine is protect sheet, and that's the code I've written. So the first line of code, you're going to declare the sheet. So sheet, then the sheet name dot protect. That means you want to protect it. You want to protect it with the password. So the password, then the password will come column equal to the password that you want to use. So I want to use 1234 as my password. So you can use any password that you want here. Then the sheet also, if you want to unprotect it, you are going to use unprotect as the keyword. Protect for the keyword and unprotect for other keyword if you want to protect. So here you're going to use the same password. The password I use for this one is the same way you're going to use to protect. Okay, so now let's step into it and see. Now before that, let's see something. So let's make sure the seat is not protected. So you can see from the review section that it's not protected. So let's, and then see. So the first one, it will now protect it. So it is now protected. Let's go to our sheet, and then you can see that now it is now unprotected. So if you want to unprotect, you just click. If you click on it, it will prompt you to what? To enter the password. So let's try it and see. So I help prompt you to enter the password. Prompt you to what? To enter the password. So let's try it and see. So I help prompt you to enter the password. So if you enter 1234, then it will what? It will unlock for you. Okay. So now let's step into it again and see the other one. So now if you step into it again, it will now what? Unprotected. So let's go back and see. And see that it's now unprotected. We enter or we protect our sheets and we unprotect our sheets. So in this lesson, we have learned how to hide our sheet and how to unhide, and also how to protect and unprotect. Okay, so I'll end the lesson here.